Fastest motorcycle in the world: Aprilia RSV4 1100 factory. In the high-octane world of superbikes, speed and precision define the top tier, and the Aprilia RSV4 1100 factory continues to assert its dominance in 2025 as one of the fastest production motorcycles in the world. Combining Italian flair, MotoGP DNA, and cutting-edge technology, the RSV4 1100 factory is a true masterpiece of speed and engineering. Built for pure velocity. At the core of the RSV4 1100 factory lies a monstrous 1077 cubic centimeters V4 engine, producing a mind-bending 217 horsepower at 13,000 RPM and 125 Newton-meters of torque. That power, combined with its race-derived chassis and aerodynamics, catapults the bike to a top speed of over 199 miles per hour, 320 kilometers per hour, putting it among the fastest superbikes ever made. The bike's power delivery is ferocious yet refined, thanks to Aprilia's legendary experience in World Superbike and MotoGP racing. The V4 engine not only provides blistering acceleration but also a uniquely thrilling soundtrack that roars with every twist of the throttle. Aero-driven design. To tame that kind of speed, Aprilia has equipped the RSV4 1100 factory with a host of aerodynamic enhancements, including carbon fiber winglets integrated into the fairing. These winglets increase front-end downforce, significantly improving high-speed stability and cornering grip, critical features for a machine capable of near 200 miles per hour sprints. The bike's sleek bodywork isn't just for looks. Every curve and angle has been optimized through wind tunnel testing, ensuring minimal drag and maximum performance on both road and track. Precision handling. Speed means little without control, and Aprilia's RSV4 1100 factory delivers exceptional handling, thanks to its aluminum twin-spar frame, adjustable Alline Smart Easy 2.0 suspension, and lightweight forged aluminum wheels. These components work in harmony to give the rider razor-sharp agility, responsive feedback, and confidence in every corner. Electronics for the edge. In 2025, the RSV4 1100 factory continues to lead in rider aids, featuring the latest generation of Aprilia Performance Ride Control, APRC. This comprehensive suite includes cornering ABS, wheelie control, traction control, slide control, engine brake control, cruise control, quick shift, up/down. All of these can be fine-tuned through the high-resolution TFT display, offering multiple ride modes for road and track scenarios. Riders can personalize their experience based on skill level, terrain, and riding goals. Track pedigree on the streets. While street legal, the RSV4 1100 factory is essentially a MotoGP machine for the public. It delivers unmatched thrills on the track while remaining versatile enough for weekend road warriors who crave performance without compromise. Final verdict. In the realm of speed, few motorcycles come close to the Aprilia RSV4 1100 factory. For 2025, it remains a technological powerhouse, offering one of the fastest, most exhilarating rides available on two wheels. Blending precision, power, and beauty, it earns its rightful place among the fastest motorcycles in the world, and is a dream machine for riders who live life in the fast lane.